What's up mga papi? Happy Sunday! Arcovia lang tayo, hindi tayo nag-ayala today. For today's video, mag-share lang ako ng ilang tips that you might want to consider if newbie ka sa running. First tip, shorten your stride. Landing too far in front of your body makes you pound the ground. Aim for your foot to land under your hips, not ahead. Number 2, increase cadence. Light quick steps around 170 to 190 steps per minute. Give a gliding feel. Practice with metronome or a playlist with steady beats. Kaya ako meron akong 170 to 190 SPM Spotify playlist. Yun yung ginagawa kong guide when I run and want to control my cadence. Number 3, midfoot strike. Land gently on the midfoot or forefoot and then let the heel settle laterally. This reduces braking forces and make transitions smoother. Alrighty, so that's our 3 tips for today. Gagawa na lang tayo ng another video to add more tips for beginner runners. Yan lang. Happy Sunday ulit. Run, Arcovia! Yee!